This man fo- this man found a bird with its feet frozen to a metal fence. The man blew hot air on the feet of the bird until it was free.
Here we go, little birdie. Go ahead and fly away.
Just toss it, she says.
This bird stole some food away from the sea lion.
I'm trying to get us. I'm trying to pick us up. I did. I'm gonna eat that. Oh my god. No, it's because we microwaved it.
Peas are this lizard's favorite food, but it can't decide which one to eat first. This photographer stabilized his camera in a way that showed the Earth rotating. This person probably has the most beautiful and perfect handwriting in the world. All of her notes from school look like a textbook. The smoke from this incense burner flows like a river. That's in this video. Hopefully I was able to make your day just a little better.